Watch as the yellow Labrador retriever isolates and pursues a stick in the depths of the snow. The Labrador follows his scent. Believing the possibility he has identified his stick, he pursues. Also called the snow bunny, the Labrador retriever is a native of Newfoundland. He prefers cold climates and heavy snow. The Labrador appears to be stalking. Gazing to the horizon, he considers his options, which, on this snowy day, are slim. In the vast terrain of snow that is Washington, Vermont, there is little hope for the Snow Lab. Inevitably, he will rely on his master for his food. The Snow Lab is a curious and trusting animal. He takes kindly to other animals in close proximity. Able to play on his own, he finds excitement in the snow by a house. The Labrador signals to his master that he is interested in going inside. Perhaps he is cold. Perhaps he is hungry. Perhaps he needs a towel or a tissue for his nose. And then he finds it. A tree. Second to a stick, is perhaps the most entertaining find for a lab of this nature. He will chew at its bark, not swallowing, but merely snapping twigs for enjoyment. Eating trees serves a dual purpose of cleaning his teeth. It serves a triple purpose of maintaining local shrubbery. Where, one might ask, is he going with this? What are his goals? What is he considering? Why does he snip here and not there, and why does he snip here again and again? These are the questions that plague the universe. A rural winter labologist. Reporting live from Washington, Vermont, your host, James Renner.